Hi guys, so let's go to the 215 Coffee and Get Ready With Me Cosmetics physical store. Actually, I'm a huge fan of Miss May Layug and Get Ready With Me, kaya nung nalaman ko nagka-store sila, gustong gusto ko talaga siyang puntahan. And sakto at that time, nasa Cavite na rin kami, so why not visit the store, diba? So, dito na tayo. Grabe excitement ko, guys. So, hindi ko na na-video yung pagpasok kasi medyo nahiya ako. But, ang una nyo makikita is yung sitting area, yung 215 Coffee, and yung Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. So, let's start with 215 Coffee. So, sa counter makikita nyo yung menu for the drinks and then meron din silang display area for their pastries. So, they offer coffee, frap, chocolate drinks, sodas, may mga croissant, cakes, pastas, and cheesecakes. So, meron din silang mga menus na pwede nyo dalhin sa inyong mga tables. So, yung price range na for drinks is around 100 to 180 pesos. Pero mostly, most of their drinks starts at 130 pesos. And then their foods are from 90 to 250 pesos. So, yung 90 pesos for cookies siya and mga brownies. Ito naman yung kanilang sitting area and the best part is may mga sockets sila. Though I am not sure kung may free wifi kasi hindi ko na-check and hindi ko na-tanong. Then meron ding sitting area sa tabi ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics kung gusto nyo ng more private area. So overall, I like the place. So very simple lang siya but elegant and I like the ambience. Ayun, so nako-order na kami. So, ang in-order namin is Iced Pablo's Latte, which is 170 pesos, and Red Velvet Cake, which is 180 pesos. So, hindi na pala ako order ng coffee kasi nag-coffee na ako that day. And yung Red Velvet, hati na lang kami ng kapatid ko. So, overall, masarap naman yung food and yung coffee. It's time for the GRWM Cosmetics. O, diba excited pa din? Anyway, late ko na na-realize na wala pala akong video nung part nila, kaya picture na lang. Actually, dapat yung voice over ko din yung mga products sa kada video. Pero nung nililista ko yung mga products, na-realize ko na sobrang dami pala talagang makeup or products na Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Kaya ilalagay ko na lang sa screen. So, here's what I like about the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics part. So, number 1 is magkakasama lahat ng products. So, magkakasama yung for the prep, like primers, setting spray, yung for the base, which is yung concealer, powder, foundation, then yung for the blush, yung quad goes, and yung mga lipsticks magkakasama din. Another thing that I like is kahit saan ko tumingin, merong makeup remover, cotton pads, doe foot applicator, may mga sponges din for your product swatches. Which is smart actually, kasi diba technically may COVID pa din or may virus pa din, and very hygienic siya. Another thing that I like is madaming salamin. So, pwede kayo makapag-mirror fees. Kahit sa part nung sitting area, may mirror din doon. And lastly, yung mga order forms nila na makukuha nyo sa cashier. So, they have 2 forms. So, white if you want to shop alone and then pink kung gusto nyo ng assistance. So, yung mga details or yung mga kailangan nyo gawin pag o-order, ibibili na kayo, ilalagay ko na lang sa screen. So, feel free to pause the video. Actually, pink yung kinuha kong form kasi magpapasis sana ako sa shade ko para sa powder rush kasi nahiya na ako and na-identify ko naman yung correct shade ko. Yun lang guys, that's it for the store and now it's time to do a haul of the products that I got from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. So I got a total of 3 items. Actually, nabuksan ko na yan so wag kayong magtaka kung medyo sira na yung box ng ibang products. So first up is the Powder Rush. Matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin ever since nung na-release pa nila pero nag-aalangan ako bumili kasi baka maling shade yung nabili ko. Anyway, I got the shade Nutmeg. So ito siya guys, ang ganda-ganda niya. So not sure kung mahirap lang ba talaga siya buksan or hindi lang talaga ako nagka-compact powder. I use baby powder kasi. Okay, nabuksan ko na siya. So, pag open, ang una nyo makikita is yung puff ng Powder Rush. Then, sa ilalim, yung mirror and yung powder. So, try natin siya i-swatch. Wow, swatch! Anyway, I got the Powder Rush for 549 pesos. The next thing that I got is the Life Proof Primer for 499 pesos. dapat yung blur matte talaga yung bibilin ko kasi yun talaga yung kailangan ko. So, nung nagtitingin-tingin ako, sabi ni ate may tig-isa pa daw for Life Proof and Blur Matte. So, originally, ang pinili ko is Blur Matte, pero pagdating sa cashier, nakuha na pala yung nag-iisang Blur Matte. So, Life Proof na rin pinili ko. Lastly is their Milk Tint in Pablo's Latte shade. I got it for 349 pesos. Dapat cheesecake yung bibilin ko din, kaso sold out. So, nag-Pablo's Latte na lang ako, inspired from the Pablo's Latte na in-order namin kanina. So, yun na lahat ng mga nabili ko sa Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Store, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my first vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video.